So I want to see if x minus 3 is a of 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 28x minus 15. It is meant to be a factor, thank you. That's the factor. The root would be x equals 3. Okay? To fully understand this, let's go back to a regular division. 20 divided by 5 would be 4 with a remainder of 0. We need to use that knowledge. If I do my division, I should get a remainder of 0. That's how I know it is a factor. Okay, so I set up my table straight away. I have my root, which is 3. I take all of my coefficients. Now, if you're really struggling to get this right, think, what is the general? All right, so it's a power 3. The general would be ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Make sure you're getting each of the terms. All right, so my numbers are 2, 5, minus 28, minus 15. I'm going to go through the algorithm, bring it down, times by my roots, bring it down, times by my roots, bring this down, and I've got 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. I now have a remainder of 0. To do this question and to get my full marks, I must link the fact that the remainder is 0. That's how I know it's a factor. So I'm going to underline this, and I'm going to say remainder equals 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is a factor. I could have also tested, and I'll just move this little thing out of the way. I could have also tested and said, therefore, x equals 3 is a root. Okay, those two statements go hand in hand, but the language isn't really important. We don't call this a root because that is a factor. Now, in the actual exam questions, they will swap the words from time to time. Sometimes they will say, test if this is a root. If you test if something's a root and then you tell them it is a factor, that's fine so long as your language is perfect. If you test it and then you wrote x equals 3 is a factor, you won't get your marks. Okay? We know how to rewrite this as a quotient and the divisor. So I'd take this to the next step. X minus 3, 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. There's no remainder, so there's nothing to add on to the end. I'm one step closer now to being fully factorized. I've got a quadratic. We just factorize this the normal way. All right, so I'd be taking this into my two brackets. X minus 3 and figuring it out from there. Now this one's really easy. It's going to be 2x plus 1, x plus 5. Okay, so whatever strategies you normally use for doing your quadratics.
Let's do this.